At some point, the problem stops being money. It becomes the constant monitoring. This video is about why that feels exhausting and what actually brings relief. You check your accounts, you glance at dashboards, you scan just to be sure. Nothing looks broken, nothing feels urgent, and yet you're tired. Not financially, mentally, because tracking quietly turns into vigilance. Someone has to keep watch, and constant awareness has a cost. Even calm months require effort. Most financial tools assume that if you're tracking, you're fine doing that forever. But nothing tells you it's safe to stop looking. Over time, that creates fatigue, not from bad decisions, but from unnecessary attention. Clarity isn't seeing more, it's knowing when you don't need to look. That's what most tools miss. DIY My Finances isn't designed to keep you constantly informed. It's designed to manage attention. Some things are stable, some things can wait. Once the system understands your finances, its most important job isn't explanation, it's deciding whether you need to be interrupted. That's where Ask Fin comes in. Ask Fin doesn't surface everything it knows. It surfaces what deserves your attention. When you ask a question, the system makes a simple call. Is there anything here that actually needs action? If there is, it brings it forward, calmly. And if there isn't, it tells you that too. Sometimes the most valuable answer is, nothing needs attention right now.